All right, Dr. Chris here at the Nerve Health Institute. I'm so excited today to share you another health secret, and we're just continuing our mission to help people across the world. So today I want to talk to you about the lymphatic system and how you can improve it on your own at home. So first and foremost, the lymphatic system is a tube system throughout your body that drains kind of your liquid trash. In addition to just some of the excess fluid you have around your body, it drains it all to here. And they have two little ducts. They're called long thoracic ducts. And what your body does primarily is it takes some of that trash fluid and it'll convert it to a gas, and you breathe it out. And that's the number one way our body detoxifies, is by breathing out, if you think of it that way. Some people think our primary method is maybe having a bowel movement or urinating or sweating. Those are other methods for sure, but think about it. The average human breathes in and out 23,000 times per day. That's without even any exercise. So breathing is our number one method of actually getting our toxins out of our bodies. So remember, everything drains to here, right? So that means if I'm going to take any area, and a classic thing you'll see is when people get all swollen here. Well, all you need to do, and you always want to do this, especially in the neck, on one side only. You don't want to do it on both sides, right? If I do it this way, both sides, and I push hard, I can pinch off some of the arteries in my neck, and we don't want to do that on both sides. So, and really just doing it on one side, you don't want to sit here and hold it for an hour and include circulation to that side of your body either. It's a simple exercise. We use our coconut oil. You can use coconut oil if you have it at home. Remember, this is the best coconut oil in the world. It's pharmaceutical grade. It's incredible. So check it out if you haven't. We have it for sale. This is not available in stores either, interestingly enough. But you take a little bit of it on your hand and you just rub and massage down, massage down, massage down. All right, remember, those areas are going to be tender. If they're swollen, they're all tender because they're not draining down, and they get stopped up and they just won't drain down. So you simply just take your fingers and you can go anywhere around here and massage down. You can go to the back side of your neck and massage down towards here, right? So you're just doing that. Then come and do maybe the other side. A very, very common area is when our ears kind of get clogged up and you get fluid. It's because this stuff's not draining down. Your sinuses even will do the same thing. Sometimes just doing this, you'll get something that's not clear in your body to all of a sudden get clear. Like you'll feel the drainage go back, sinus in the back of your throat. It's pretty amazing. We've seen some amazing things in the office doing this. And so again, as we tell everybody, this is intended to help you. So for instance, you start doing this and you get worse or something, don't keep doing it. I can tell you right now, this exercise, when you do it right, it really produces amazing results. And you can be anywhere. You don't have to, have a doctorate degree like I do to figure this out, to do yourself, or to have a skill set to do it and be trained with it. It's real simple. You can actually feel those areas clearing as you're doing this. So I hope this helps you. Again, our mission is to help people, and we're so looking forward to sharing our next secret with you here at the Nerve Health Institute.